Welcome friends to Avi's English Grammar. Today we have another video on homonyms. Homonyms are the words, special kinds of words. And see, there are two types of homonyms. One is called the homophones and another is called the homographs. There are two categories of homonyms. What is homophones? Homophones are the words, they have same pronunciation, they have different meaning and they have different spelling. And the homographs are the words have the same pronunciation, they have different meaning and same spelling. We can see that homophones and homographs have two common characteristics. Both have the same pronunciation and both have the different meaning. But homophones have the special feature. They have different spellings and the homographs have the same spelling. We can differentiate between the homophones and homographs. Only one feature is different from each of them. Homophones have the special feature, they have the different spellings, and homographs have the same spelling. See the uses of homophones. In this video we are taking only the examples of homophones. In the next video we will take the examples of homographs. See the first example. No. There are two no's. No, K-N-O-W, no and no are the homophones. See the example of no. Everyone knows the Taj Mahal in India. No. Second no is there is no flowering tree in the garden. Second example. Fair, fair. First fair is her daughter has fair complexion, and second fair is the people are ready to pay the bus fare. The third example is blue. There are two blues. Blue is my favorite color, and second blue means the wind blew so fast last night. Blue means the second form of blow. Blue is the second form, V2 form of the blow. Fourth example is bear. Bear is a very dangerous animal, and second bear is we should not eat bear food in rainy season. Bear means here B-A-R-E, bear means the uncovered. Bear food means the uncovered food. The next example is beet. Beet is a very nutritious to eat, and another beet is the man always beats the little dog. Next example is two. There are twos in English. They are homophones. The first example is the Mr. Patel has two servants in his house, and TO2, the example is the boys are going to play football. The next example is son. The first son is Mr. Gupta's son is a scientist in Delhi, and second son is the sun gives energy to all living things. Example number 8, C. There are two C's. The first example is we see news daily on India TV, and second example is the fishermen will go for fishing in the sea. Next example, wood. There are two wood. Example 1, teak wood is used for making furniture, and second wood, everybody would like to listen old songs. Next example, 10th, scene. There are two scenes. The first is the scene of setting the sun is so attractive, and second example is they have seen a terrible snake in the jungle. Here scene is the third form of C. 11. 1. Samir won the first prize in the chess championship, and 1 means India needs only 1 run to win the match. 12th. Peace. Peace is so precious in this world, and second piece, the teacher wants a piece of chalk. 13. Knot. The rope has two knots, and second is I do not like the corrupt people. 14. Wear. Everyone wears new dresses in Diwali. Second wear is primitive people mostly use the earthen wares. Wares means the utensils. Earthen wares, silverware, etc. Next, 15. Here, the tiger is coming here now. And second here is we hear many sounds in deep forest. 16. There is an umpire on the ground. And next, second there is their car is so expensive. 17. Sale. There are two sale. They are homophones. We have already learnt that the homophones have the only spelling difference. The spelling difference is we can see in homophones, and the pronunciation is same, and the pronunciation is same, and the meaning is also different. Next example is cell. Human body has a number of cells, and second cell, the man sells vegetables for his livelihood. Example number 18. Lead. There are two lead in English. The first lead is the second form of lead. Lead is the V1 form or base form of the verb lead. Lead is the base form of verb, and lead is the V2 form of lead. Mahatma Gandhi led the Indian freedom movement. And second example is lead. Lead is used in making pencils. 19 example. Role. Every parent's role is very vital in their children's life. And second role is the newspaper's role is in my hand. 20. Air. The balloon is going up in the air. And second, the spelling is HEIR, but the pronunciation is the same pronunciation. We can do the word HEIR. Air. David was only heir in the family. 21. Feat. Feat means the deed. MS Dhoni is well known for his great feat in cricket. Great feat means great deed, great work. We can call it great work. Another feat is our feet help us to stand and to walk. Sentence number 22nd. Rain. There are three rains. Rain. Rain means the rule. Shivaji Maharaj had an ideal reign in Maharashtra. Rain means here the rule. And second rain, iron rain means the to control. The horseman gives a perfect rein to the horse. And another rain is also iron. Rain means rain. All farmers are eagerly waiting for rain. 23rd. Principal. See the difference between the two words principal. Mr. Sharma is the new principal of RK College, and another principal is Mahatma Gandhi had two principles, that is truth and non-violence. 24th. Deer. Children should take care of their dear mothers, and another deer is an animal. The tiger killed the deer brutally yesterday. And the last example is compliment. There are two compliments. The one is compliment is an important part in a sentence, and another compliment is people give the best compliments on our birthday. Only one spelling difference between the two words compliment, E and I. It is the completion of the video on homophones. Another next video will be on homographs. All the examples will be given in the next video. Thank you very much.